Oh my.
This bike feels insane, dude.
Hey guys, it's the Two Wheel Savage. Today I'm going to be building up my new Zink Vacay. I've got a ton of sick parts for this thing. I've been waiting a long time for it and it's finally here, so it's time to build it up. Yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, the build is finished. Super stoked on how this thing turned out. Thank you to my friends over at Hangar 15 Draper, Utah. They helped me get this thing all dialed in. Let's go shred it and have some fun.
How fast you looking to go down this trail? Or are you looking for a little bit more floaty?
Let's just free ride it.
It's just floaty it?
Yeah.
Alright.
Rob! Oh my gosh, this bike feels great. Oh, dude, I landed so deep. This bike feels insane, dude. Yeah. No way, this thing is insanely progressive. I don't know if I've bottomed out yet. Oh, yeah. Dude, this bike, best bike I've ever ridden. I'm not even joking.
That was so sick.
Like, didn't even bottom it out and I hit that hip hard. And I'm at like, I think I'm at 175 PSI and I'm like 150 pounds. I want to do that so much more. This thing manual's like a dream. Oh my gosh. Wow. So I was just riding this thing in the mid position. There's the flip chip right there on the shock. It comes with 2 flip chips, 1 on the bike. This thing comes with the mid position, just straight to you in the box. I like having the opportunity to kind of just, you know, have a bike that can pretty much do it all. I've never ridden a bike that's been this much fun. Stoked to ride this thing some more. So make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and stay tuned for next video. We're gonna go really test this thing. So see you guys in the next video.